Hello guys, welcome back. So as we have already completed our first 3 challenges, let's take up our 4th challenge now, which is create a selection product rule. So once if you launch your playground, click on the app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So here just click on product rules followed by new, and here for product rule name, let's copy it from our challenge. So guys, rule name is given right over here as ID installation. Just copy this and paste it over here. And for type, we are just gonna choose selection, and for scope choose product, and for evaluation choose load. Check on this active checkbox followed by all for condition met, and now click on save. And guys, now if you scroll down over here, you will find this error condition. Click on new. So for tested object choose code. So for tested field, we are gonna give partner, SBQQ partner, and scroll down for operator, give it as not equals, and for filter type choose value. And now we are gonna leave filter value as blank, and now click on save. So guys, you will find this action next to this error condition. Click on new next to action. So here in type field, we are gonna give hide and remove, and for product field, we are gonna search for home security. So here we are gonna choose home security installation, and now click on save. Once if it is saved, if you scroll down, you will find configuration rule. Just click on new next to configuration rules. So here we are gonna select active, and for product again type home so that you will get home security console. Just choose this and click on save. So guys, now in a global search, I'm just going to search with capital Q -00011 so that you will find this code. Just click on it, and now click on edit. So here if you scroll down, you will find partner team. So just keep on scrolling down. Here you will find partner. So search as Pramid and choose Pramid construction, and now click on save. So guys, here click on edit lines followed by add products. So here we are gonna choose home. Just search for home, click on enter. You will find home security console. Just click on it and click select. So now click on cancel again. So one more cancel as well. So once if it is done, we are all done with our steps. So just click on verify step now. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 4th challenge as well. So reminding, our final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.